Alright guys, today we're going to be reviewing a 2-in-2 fast charging cable. Here's what comes in the box or in the bag. You got a 2 braided fast charging cable. Not only charging, but you can use it as a transfer cable, so you can use it to transfer your photos or videos from your phone to your computer, because it's USB-C to USB-A right here, and then USB-C to lightning cable, so you can charge your phones, your older iPhones or iPads that has the lightning cable. You can charge them with the lightning cable, and then this one has a USB-C, and then you can do USB-A. So it has different connections. You get 2 cables on this one, same L shape for USB-C and lightning, and then USB-C and USB-A to use with older computers or computer that doesn't have USB-C. They're braided, so you know they are tough. These are tough cables. They're braided, tested for 30,000 plus disconnection and connection with these, so you know they're not gonna break easily. Fast charging and fast transfer rate, 480 megabits per second for megabytes per second for transferring, and then it's 90 watts of charging, so it will charge your phone really fast. Well, rarely made, rarely priced. Definitely recommend the 6 feet tall, a 2-pack. It's very convenient. It's very convenient to have one cable for all your devices, at least for your iPhone, Apple devices, because you have lightning. You can use it for Androids and Google devices too, because it's a USB-C that's everybody's using right now, but it has the lightning for the older devices. So definitely recommend it. Get yours. You won't disappoint. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.